Now.
Alright.
Singing a song.
Alright. Alright.
Is this a
Are you
video?
recording?
Yeah.
Shit.
Don't worry, Karen. You're not in it anymore. Now it's just her in the emptiness where I used to be.
Cool. Oh shit. Shit.
It's okay, the song's over anyway. Oh my god! Oh my god, but it did the last boom. You burped at that same second. So I was like, awesome! It's in 3D.
I have strawberry alcohol.
Karen, more like 4D.
You're so mean. I hit you!
Yay!
No, this isn't going on Facebook. You're like, maybe?
Maybe just a little bit.
What is a little bit me?
All of it.
Oh shit. I feel like a whore.
Look at me and I look at you. I'm reaching for your shirt. What do you? I tell you to loosen up my buttons, babe.
Do you want some? What are you doing in my room? What are you doing?
Tell you to loosen up my buttons, babe.
Hey, just go away. Stop it!
Jesus.
Stop.
What?
You're fucking recording my crotch and my ass.
No, I'm not.
I'm a sexy mama. That's how it goes.
What's that fucking doing?
What you gonna do with all that junk? All that junk inside? Oh my god!
Holy stupid black kid.
Maha,
Maha. My lovely little loves. Check it out. I drive these fuckers crazy. I do it on the daily.
They treat me very nicely.
They buy me all these aces.
Okay.
Every time they pay me anytime. We share it all the money.
Not this again. Alright, people. I'm out.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye.
Religious.
Where's
They
Jane?
keep giving, so
I'm
I keep
gonna
on
see her
saying.